Hi, I'm Brian Burke from SellYourMac. Today I'm going to teach you how to pack your iPhone. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Alright, the custom box for your iPhone just arrived. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Oh, you have this nice little insert. You can use this to secure the phone. Just pop the flaps up. Go ahead and insert your phone right under the flaps there. Fold down the short edges and it's ready to insert. You also can put your charging brick and your power cord right in the bottom of the box. And then go ahead and just push the insert right in. Fits perfectly. Fold it up. Go ahead and tape along the edges. Here's the free included return label. You'll find that in the box. It's self-adhesive. All you need to do is peel it off, pop it right on the box. Voila.